Hey everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. I'm going to reveal the Cricut Moonlit Ice Mystery Box, and it includes the new Limeade Cricut Cutie, a gorgeous one. You can check the description right under this video. You'll find a purchase link and discount information. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. And here's the cutie, the gorgeous Limeade. It just launched this month. You probably saw it at the beginning of the month in another mystery box, a Joy mystery box. Gorgeous. I've added a photo right here on the side so you can see it up close and see the color a little better. The lighting in this room always makes my video look a little brighter than it is. So I'd like to add a photo for you to see it. Let's see what else is included. I have a Cricut 12 by 12 fabric mat. You know what? I have dozens of these and I often use them as light grip mats because I have so many. So even if you don't do fabric, you can use this mat. It's really terrific. Next we have the learning kit for iron-on. This is a great kit. It includes 4 sheets of smart iron-on. You have black, white, red, and ocean. You have 4 sheets of smart iron-on glitter, black, gold, silver, and red. You have a cosmetic bag. That's really fun, a large. So you can try out these iron-ons on the cosmetic bag if you like, or use it for some other application. And you have a weeding tool. Oh, and I missed this smart iron-on holographic in blue and translucent blue. Gorgeous. So this is really cool. Even if you don't use it as a learning kit, you can use all the materials that are in it. I'm sure we all can. Then you have a 50 pack of printable sticker paper. Amazing. These are really terrific. 50 sheets. We have cutaway cards, a set of 12. These are 4.75 by 6.6 inch in these gorgeous earth tones. You have 12 of each, envelopes, cards, and inserts. Just beautiful. We have a pack of 8 foil transfer insert cards, gorgeous colors. And these are 4.25 by 5.5. And last but not least, we have a True Control knife in mint. So this is the gorgeous Moonlit Ice Mystery Box. It's another one that's going to go super fast with this new Limeade Cutie if you don't have it already. If you'd like to purchase it, check the description right under this video. You'll find my purchase link and discount information. It is an affiliate link, and I thank you in advance if you use it. I will earn a small commission, but that's never at any extra cost to you. Thank you for watching.